Rumble with the glasses, bro say cause he a savage. So many dead out, so many ashes. So many catch that I can't pass this. Shooter stay strapped, I don't need mine. Bro put belt right to they behind. The way that shit, I know he died. 6'7", I just bit right on the highway. I just bit right on the highway. Track hawk ain't sitting in the drop.
What's good with the YouTube, man? Back at it again with another video, y'all boys. Oh shit, nah, hold on. Back at it again. I just dropped back to back. I ain't gonna lie, I just dropped 2 videos. I'm gonna drop this one as soon as I get, parts for it. I should finish it today. I'm gonna record all day. If I can go ahead and drop this one too. And then I'm gonna just keep going with this. You feel me? Man, I do need a haircut. I'm gonna get one next week though. Best believe I'm gonna get one next week. And yeah. My shit been growing. Tell me in the comments y'all like that bit. I ain't gonna lie. Do it make me look older? Like, do I look older? You feel me? Like for all the cougars. I think I have a chance. Enough talking. Let's get to it. I do gotta clean the inside of my car. I'll do that later.
What's good, YouTube? This how you beat a nigga ass when you talk shit. This nigga wanna talk shit, I'm gonna beat his ass. That's what I do to niggas.
Him right there?
Yeah, him right there. Yo.
Him right there?
What you on? What's up, my chain? Shit.
Well, you got a haircut, boy? Okay, Walt. Okay, Walt. There you go, boy. Uh-huh.
Get him on. Get him on. Get him on. Don't do that. Don't grab him. Come on, girl. Go up my shirt. Okay. Up my shirt now. Okay. Stop playing me, bro. I ain't wanna do him, cuz. Talk that boy. Oh, who you think you is? Who is this guy? Like I'm hoe or something. They wanna talk to him like I'm hoe. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Wait, man. Yeah, you did. Football celebration, man. Yeah, wait, cuz. Who is this guy, y'all? Get that more on the ground, man. Damn. You done wrong, cuz.
You finna grow your junk out?
You had fun out the cruise, boy?
Yeah, that was fun, man. I ain't gonna lie. It was fun.
What it is? Where y'all had winning?
Bahamas. It was all fun. Nice. Oh, that bad. Said nice.
I'm just saying.
You got a charger right here. Oh, it won't work if your car ain't on?
This shit been spin fire, man. This shit butt.
Now, how you get a car to spin fire?
Soon. You heard Mike? You heard Mike jump?
Who Mike?
P Mike.
What about it?
Mike lit.
What about his?
He got a resonator delete and muffler. It's louder. Like your type of loud.
How you do that?
I'm finna do that.
Where's that thing? What I do?
Huh?
Everton.
You put your shit finna pop. Nah, that one dude, his shit do pop a lot.
I told you. That's the guy had
His jump pop a lot, but he got to open. He got to tune. That jump pop a lot, but
That sound good?
He got a secondary. No. Yeah, he got a secondary Everton.
he straight. He don't sound bad. Definitely pop though.
You said it's the older one?
Yeah, he did. He got an older. Who did your jump? I like your jump.
Come on,
Big E.
Lake
City.
You got my jersey? You got a
Big
custom
E.
jersey, Phil.
Like
Come on,
that.
man.
Well, you don't never get a haircut, man.
Huh?
You don't never
You
get a
got a
haircut.
custom jersey.
You better hold on to that one for a little while. 'Cause it'll be about
Hey, Walt,
4 months
hey,
till you
Walt,
get one.
Walt, let me borrow one of your jerseys for the day.
So you already know.
Let me get some dude stuff. I ain't got it on me. Who is that?
I'm sure.
My girl.
Okay.
We had to do the basketball tournament.
They say your name on it too? I don't like that on you though.
Miami, Huncho.
Turn around, let me see.
What you got? Some elbow pads, Phil? Open that pack up, man. This man got a custom jersey, bro. That's
the same guy,
I don't know about that.
It's crazy.
He got a little black.
Come on, now, he got you right, though.
Oh, sweet, drop a little something.
Get his little stuff.
You got them little
got
leg
tights,
sleeves? They so tight?
Oh, you want to check them?
You finna wear tights too, man. This, gosh dang, bro. This man going back to high school days, man. Oh nah, this man don't got the right socks on, bro.
Nah, yeah, I can't wear this, girl.
Let me wait.
No, it's white, bro. You got pants on, bro.
I'm gonna go on my thing.
Man, come on, we trying to get going. No,
I
come
ain't
on,
got my
come
jersey, fam.
on. And you don't want no jersey anyway, come.
This the playoff game, right? Oh, we play first day.
That's what I'm saying.
Walt, let me
Wait,
borrow.
say,
I can borrow a jersey, Walt.
Yeah, they in school.
Come on, let's play.
You gotta
They
wait.
say that they come.
Let's play.
You gotta wait.
What you mean?
You gotta wait.
Man, we gonna play them.
I know. You
Alright,
want
start
Avion?
up.
You want
Come on,
Avion
let's
versus?
go.
I told Khalid too.
You want Avion?
Come on, let's
go.
Me and Big Wiz.
Let's go.
I'm saying that's them. I'm
Nigga,
Cameraman.
Let me get a jersey, Walt. Let us get a jersey.
Yeah. I told Khalid the other boys come out here. No, you didn't. I'm myself. I have to do that. That'll do.
Dang.
Nigga, you go on, Corey. You say you want to wear it?
What is it? I don't even know what it is. Too damn hot. Too damn hot to be.
I mean, I still got your grit. I still got your Grizzly jersey. Look what.
What's up? Straight? Yes, sir. How much they got a scat?
Yeah.
That bit.
That shit sound good,
Oh,
boy. I ain't gonna lie.
wow. That bit loud. I ain't gonna lie.
That shit hard, bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
Work on.
That bit loud, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Well, you had to drive that bit?
Huh?
You had to drive that bit?
I think she finished
I want to see how fast. I ain't never been in a scat.
it. Me either.
Yo, nah, that bit hard. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, boy.
That bit hard.
Let's go, cuz.
That bit hard.
I ain't gonna lie to you for everybody. Drove my shit,
Hold on, we'll be back.